like that, but it's hard to digest. There's my stomach.
So right now po, yung pain po na nararamdaman nyo, saan po yung pinakamasakit na area? So sa tiyan, alright. Bukod po doon, meron pa po ba?
Not at the moment, but in the evening, I will sleep.
Alright. So, gano'n na po katagal ito? Yung acid reflux?
Acid reflux, maybe a year.
A year ago.
Yes, and my insomnia is mga 3 years now.
Alright.
And I have been taking sleeping tablet
Ito
for 3
talaga.
years already.
Alright. So,
Thank you.
napakahirap po ng sitwasyon because we don't have any options. Now, right now, again, yung case ni Ma'am is quite different from what we started kanina po. Kasi kanina, visually, nakikita natin yung mobility ng isang tao na hindi maigalaw. Nasaan po pala si Ma'am? Kumusta po? Okay na. Now, this is quite different and challenging. Again, we're not promising that it's 100% that we can provide because internal po ito. We have doctors here to know about this. So what we're trying to do is try to decrease man lang kahit paano yung pain na nararamdaman ni Ma'am. Let's see. Although, hindi physically natin makikita, but let's see kung ano yung magagawa ng technology natin right now. So,
Anong pain po?
ang pain ni Ma'am is acid reflux. Right now, pain niyo po from 10 masakit na masakit, 1 konti lang, nasaan po kaya kayo?
Siguro 5.
Nasa 5. Alright, so again, uunahin po natin is to uminom po ng water. Yan po yung pinaka-basic. Once we are patching, importante po na hydrated po yung katawan natin dahil yan po ang unang pagkain ng ating mga cells, water. So kailangan yung 8 glasses of water, kailangan po talaga tawag religious po natin na gagawa yun just to compensate the body. So once inom na po tayo ng tubig, mag-start na po tayo malagay ng what we call is the X39, the stem cell activator. So tayo po kay Mami, pakita natin po sa kanila. By the way, ang X39 po goes up to the DNA level of our body. Ayan, so ididikit po natin siya dyan.
Bakit dito, Dennis, nila
Bakit dito natin dinidikit? Because this is the center connecting from the head to the body of through the spinal cord. So with the body heat ni Ma'am, doon po nagsa-start. Again, this is a speed of light. Pag sinabi speed of light, mabilis po yan. Once na dumikit sa katawan niya, nagsa-start na po siya. Now, we will try to address yung pain naman ni Ma'am. Alright. So yung pain, eto Ma'am. We have a white patch and a brown patch. Since yung problem ni Ma'am is sa stomach area, doon po natin ilalagay yung brown patch. So again, we will first put it sa top pa po ng kanyang damit. For those people na ngayon na nakarating, hindi pa po natin direktang inilagay sa kanyang balat, but doon sa ibabaw ng damit. Because we just want to prove to you na hindi po ito yung the usual na nakikita natin na binibili natin na kailangan na nakalagay sa balat. We want you to know that the power of you, the body that you are secreting from your body is the one who's making it work. Now, nilagay po natin sa pinakagitna or sa stomach area, sa sternum. Alright, ngayon, ilalagay naman natin yung white near doon kasi the balance of the body is, the center of the body is dito. Kaya napansin niyo po kanina, nilagay natin yung brown patch doon sa pain area and then yung white nilagay natin doon sa center of the body sa gitna. Since doon din po yung problem ni Ma'am, let's see, pag nilagay natin itong white patch. Alright, yes Ma'am. Try muna natin katabi. Or dito, try natin dito banda. Alright, again, compared kanina, as I mentioned, na physically makikita natin, this time, si Ma'am lamang po ang makakaalam kung ano yung nararamdaman niyang pain kanina to now. Yung pain scale po ni Ma'am kanina is 5. Now, let's check. Try natin. Mag-count tayo ng 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, this is a different case dahil internal po ito. Mismong sikmura ni ma'am. And bago naman mahil yan, all of the things, it will take time. But what we want to prove to all of you that let's see if we can decrease for the meantime yung pain na nararamdaman niya. Ma'am, kumusta po kayo without pressure?
Without pressure, ma'am.
Yeah, I work already 3 times from the time in
Oh, yeah. Birthday siya.
Nag-work ako ng 3 times.
Just like sinang
Pwede. Yung X39 sa batok.
Yung discomfort na bawasan na. Once
Pwede
na-place,
din.
nagkaroon ng good
Kasi
effect.
may
Now,
mga
ngayon po,
variant
ano po yung pain
ang
scale yung from
X39
5 kanina? Let's see kung meron.
Stem cell activated.
Hindi, kanina po nasaan tayo?
5.
Nasa 5 tayo kanina. Mga 2 na lang, palakpakan naman natin sila. So again, the patches po is 12 hours po siya na nakalagay sa katawan natin. We have to be hydrated. So continuous drinking water po along with the patches na meron. Now once na nakita nga natin na with that placement is good, remember na nasa ibabaw pa po ito ng damit, we will place it directly na po doon sa kanyang skin para magtuloy-tuloy na po yung healing process nito, activating the stem cell of the body for 12 hours, and once you remove it from your body, that's the time na regenerate naman yun.
repair.
Alright, so again, from 2, let's see, minuto pa lang, nag-count pa lang po tayo ng 10. Pero nag-burp na siya kaagad ng 3 times. So just imagine na for 12 hours, ano pa yung kayang gawin nito sa katawan ni ma'am? At imagine what it can do to you. Alright, again, palakpakan naman natin si ma'am. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Ano pa nararamdaman? Sige, ma'am.
Can I place it on my skin?
Yes po, opo. Pwede na po,
Pwede na
opo.
po, ma'am.
Alright. Again, palakpakan naman natin si